Breast reconstruction is the reconstruction of a breast after it's been either removed or deformed. The idea is to build a breast back that is aesthetically pleasing and that is symmetrical to the other breast. The technique we use now is essentially liposuction. We take this fat and we repurpose it, and we graft it into the existing breast tissue or the tissue around the chest area, and we can slowly build it up to look and feel just like a natural breast. To be able to reconstruct someone's breast, to make them feel whole, and to see how that affects them really affects me. I mean, it makes me very happy. Losing a body part can be very traumatic, and be able to give that body part back in some way can be very fulfilling. Clavicle shortening and lengthening is a technique that I actually conceived of back in residency. And so now we can actually narrow people's shoulders or widen people's shoulders. It can make a dramatic difference to the perception that people have of these individuals. Clavicle lengthening has been effective for many men who just feel like they have narrower shoulders. The clavicle is a relatively slow bone to heal. Most of the time it heals fine. And if you follow my instructions, it will heal fine. What Renuva is, it's an extracellular matrix of collagen and growth factors made from human donors, essentially. It's just growth factors and collagen. There's no actual fat, there's no actual cells or even DNA in it. But when you inject it into a layer of your body where you have existing fat cells, it actually will trigger your stem cells to come and populate that matrix with new cells and grow new fat cells. So there are many, many uses for Renuva. So in the face, we use small volumes, but we can also use it in the buttocks and the breast, anywhere else. And you can use, in those cases, large volumes. It is the only effective, permanent way to get a volume in those areas, aside from putting in like a silicone implant. And because of that, it feels natural, it ages naturally. Those fat cells are essentially permanent. I've never seen a bad result from Renuva.